Justin Jahnz. I'm the president and CEO at East Central Energy. We're an electric cooperative in East Central Minnesota. We provide electricity to 67,000 members, and we're new in the fiber business. Sure. So, 89-year-old electric cooperative with a great history and a commitment to our community. We've been involved providing electricity for those 89 years, and also really involved in a lot of aspects of our community. East Central Energy has a great history with NRTC. We've worked with them on multiple projects, from metering to we've done smart grid studies, and we're also involved with them on broadband. NRTC is a great company, and it's because of the people who work there. They're cooperative, they're committed to helping their members solve problems and develop solutions that serve their community, and I think they do a great job with it. Their experience and knowledge in the broadband space in particular, we're an electric cooperative entering into that market. So being able to work with a trusted provider and vendor like NRTC has really, it's been a great partnership. Definitely chunky.